cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The little cars and the puppy are playing with their ball. Some cows live in the small paddock next to them. One of the cows is napping. And another one is drinking some water. Watch out! The puppy uses his head to hit the ball. What about the car? It uses its wheels. Wow! The green car is getting ready to hit the ball. Ooh! That was hard. Oh! The fence is shaking. It's falling. That's not good. The animals are going to wander off. One cow's noticed that the fence has fallen down. Now they are all spreading out. They're going to get lost. The puppy is calling his friends. They have to stop the cows. Stop! Go back home. None of them want to go back with the fence broken. It needs to be fixed before the cows run off. It's the helper car's garage. The little red car is knocking on the door. Come on out, helper cars. Here they come. The crane truck and 2 forklift trucks. The crane truck is going to fix the fence. The forklift trucks have brought some treats. There's hay. And there are carrots. Puppy, let's call the cows over. The puppy is barking very loudly, but the cows aren't paying him any attention. What can they do? I know. Let's draw them over with the carrots. We'll throw some carrots on the ground so they see the treats and go back home. A road made out of carrots. That's funny. The little cars want to help. Hey, cow, look what I've got. It's working. All of them are going back home. Well done, everyone. Quick, crane truck, let's fix the fence. Lift each section back up. Perfect! Oh, The ball is still in the paddock. Catch, little cars. It looks like the cows love playing with the ball too. Thanks, helper cars. Till next time.
Cars, 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 cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The little puppy doesn't know what he should play with. The ball? It would be boring to play ball alone. Wait a second. It's a bit too early for bedtime. Let's think how we can cheer you up. Look, the excavator with a grapple. The crane truck. The dump truck. And one more. 2 dump trucks. The helper cars are going to build a playground for the puppy. It will be so fun playing on the playground. Puppy, wake up! The helper cars are starting their work. The crane truck is unloading the dump truck. It's lowering the parts for a tunnel onto the ground very carefully. The second dump truck is unloading its body by itself. A tire. Oh! A blue arch. Let's attach the tire to it. That's a trampoline. Let's put it somewhere. Right there. A ramp. You're meant to jump over the hurdle. And a seesaw. The tunnel is missing its entrance. There we go. The puppy is asking his friends to play. Stop, little car. Let's go to the new playground. That really is a big playground. Where should we start? The puppy has jumped over the barrier. The little car has picked the trampoline. Oh, it couldn't jump through. Now it's stuck. We'll have to pull him out. Thank you, excavator. The kitten has climbed onto the seesaw. The playground for the puppy is wonderful. The helper cars, as always, have got the job done. Time for them to have a rest in their garage. Till next time.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars. This is a farm. Lots of domestic animals and birds live here. The chickens live in this coop. They lay eggs, which are then collected and taken to the store. The manipulator is carefully placing the eggs in a box. This is the pickup truck. It's come to the farm to collect the boxes of eggs, then take them to the store. The forklift is picking up the wooden pallet and putting it into the back of the pickup truck. Oops, one of the boxes is open, and the pickup truck hasn't noticed. And of course, all the eggs fell out on the first sharp turn. It's a good thing they didn't break. Now there are 5 eggs missing from the box. One of them is lying right on the road. Cars, can you gather up the eggs? Let's put them all back in this box. The red car found the first egg. Look, here's another one in the carrot patch. Yellow car, look again. What's that in the pig pen? Well done, you found it. The red car is looking in the chicken coop. That nest is empty. Here's an egg in this box of carrots. Now they're all back in the box. The pickup truck is driving to the store. But where are the little cars going? Look what the forklift is carrying. Jars of water, brushes, and paints. The cars are painting the eggs. Let's decorate the eggs with stickers. Then they'll be even more beautiful. A cupcake. Another cupcake. A flower. Now we've got a whole basket of beautiful, colorful eggs. Time for the helper cars to go back to the garage. There will be new tasks for them tomorrow.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars. Good morning, puppy. Look, A beautiful ripe apple's rolled up to you. I wonder where it came from. Are you following the smell of apples? There's another. Look at how many apples there are. The fruit's ripe now. Time to pick it all. That's an orange. Oh, the orange fell on the puppy's head. He's got a bump. The ambulance is coming out of the helper car's garage. Where's our patient? There he is. We need to rub some ointment on the bump. Let's open the first aid box. Now carefully put some ointment on your paw and rub it on your head. It's all done. Thank you, ambulance. So that the fruit doesn't fall on anyone else's head. Oh, watch out! That's right. We need to pick it all. The puppy is run off to the garage. Helper cars, please help us with the fruit picking. There are so many helper cars. There's an excavator with a grapple, a loader, and 3 different colored tractors with trailers. A yellow one, an orange one, and a red one. They're all off to bring in the harvest. We'll put the fruit in these boxes. The excavator is shaking the apple tree, and the apples are falling onto the ground. The loader's collecting the fruit in its bucket. One box full of apples. 2 boxes. 3 boxes. Neat and tidy. Now to pick the oranges. The first box. And the second. Pears. The excavator's doing a wonderful job with its grapple. There's still one left on the tree. We've picked all the fruit. Now it's time to take them to the shop. The red tractor is taking the red apples. The oranges are going in the orange tractor's trailer. And the pears are going in the yellow tractors. The helper cars have done a great job. Thank you. The puppy is going home to rest in his kennel. Haha, it's time for bed now. The helper cars are going to rest in their own garage. There will be a new job waiting for them tomorrow.
cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The little red car has found a big ball. I wonder if the cars will be able to roll it. More balls. Push, little car. He's done it. The balls are rolling. The helper cars are leaving their garage for their new job. The dump truck, the excavator with a clamp, the forklift truck. It's time for the big cars to go to work. The forklift is taking the colored boxes along. He's carrying them on his forks. The little cars are still playing with the balls. Oh, the blue ball is opened up. Inside, there's a sheep stamp. The excavator is closing the ball and is placing it in the dump truck. Those probably aren't balls, but containers with stamps inside. Dump truck, where are you taking them? Animals are going to live here. The helper cars have brought all the stamps here. The dump truck is unloading the containers. The forklift is also placing its load on the ground. Ah! There are paint sponges inside the colored boxes. The excavator is opening the green container. There's a pig stamp inside. We press the stamp onto the sponge. And now we can use the stamp. We've made a red pig. Inside the orange container, there's a cow stamp. The little cars are very interested. What do you need that for? Do you also want to use the stamp? But where? Ah! He's left a stamp on the yellow car. Are you messing around again? The excavator's doing everything properly. He's using the stamps for the boards. What stamp is in the red container? A horse stamp. Look, the tractors are bringing the animals. And luckily, the excavator is just finishing up. The sheep are going to graze here. There's enough space for all of them. The doors are opening. Go on in, please. Everyone has their own pen. The pig goes oink. The cow goes moo. The horsey goes neigh. The sheep goes baa. Oh, the little happy cars are all sporting different colored stamps. Time for the helper cars to return to the garage. The stamps have to go in the dump truck's body. They also have to gather the separate container halves. And you, dirty little cars, should go to the car wash. We'll wash off all that paint. The cars are squeaky clean. The helper cars have arrived at their garage. They'll have to rest a little before they set off for work again.